I go by Ever J Music. I'm gonna be your co-instructor in this course. Again, like I was telling you in the promotional video, you know what I'm saying, I have several placements in TV and film. Kind of got my start working with another producer in California. And I'm gonna talk a little bit more about that in the course. But anyway, I got some placements with Real Housewives of Miami and Fuse News, several different TV networks. And I'm here to answer any questions you have, so just hit me up if you have any questions.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Lee Evans, the Right Hook, aka Muggs a Million, co-instructor, man, of this course. Right now, man, I just want to tell y'all a quick little something about myself. I'm a songwriter, recording artist, come from the rap background side of things, man. Went to school in my hometown, Nashville, got my degree in music technology. From there, I focused in on songwriting, got my first songwriting placement, man, with an artist by the name of Chris Webby. Y'all might have heard of him, you might have not, but done that, did that. I'm a Grammy member, peep the hat, you know what I'm saying? Here in Atlanta right now, doing a lot of recording, a lot of songwriting, a lot of placements as far as with music goes, man. I got TV placements with BET's The Game. I got some stuff on Oxygen Network, man, with the Bad Girls Club. A couple of things up my sleeve, man, coming before this year let out. So, you know, hey, I'm here to help you, man. I already created also a foundation in the music industry crash course. So this is what I do every day for a living, man. Is I teach people how to get into the business and make money from their music, though. It's one thing to be a part of this business. It's another thing to be getting paid and making a living as a part of this business. So y'all holler at us, man, for real. Check out the course, and we're looking forward to getting y'all up on game about how to get this money in the music business.